Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of NBA NA1 examination of year 2024. Question number 12 is consider the following statement in respect of non-singular matrix of order n. 1. A adjoint A transpose is equal to A bracket adjoint A bracket close whole transpose. 2. If A square is equal to A, then A is identity matrix of order n. 3. If A cube is equal to A, then A is identity matrix of order n. Which of the statement given above are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So here suppose we have matrix A as first row 2 minus 3, second row 5 minus 5 1. Then adjoint of A is interchange them and change their sign. So it will be 1 3, first row minus 5 2, second row, and adjoint A transpose is this row become column and this column become row. So 1 3 is first column, minus 5 2 is second column. Now take A transpose of it is row become column, column become row. So this will be first column will be 2 minus 3 and second column will be 5 1, and its adjoint is interchange them and change their sign. So it will be 1 2 and minus 5 and 3 here. First row will be 1 minus 5 and second row will be 3 2. So this adjoint A transpose whole and adjoint A transpose are equal. Adjoint A within bracket whole transpose and adjoint A transpose are same. First row is 1 minus 5, second row is 3 2 for both. So if they are equal, if you multiply it by A, then it will also be equal. So first statement is true. Okay. So now about second statement, it is given that A square is equal to A. If we divide both sides A, then it will be A, and here it will be 1. So A is identity matrix, so that is also true. Second statement is also true. Now third statement is A cube is equal to A. If we divide both sides by A, then it will be 1 or I, and this will be A. A square will be your identity matrix, not the A. So third statement is not true. A is identity matrix. That is not true. This is true because A is identity matrix that we have derived. So answer is A. First and second are true. Option A 1 and 2 are.